Ever struggled with packing for a trip? Overpacked or forgot something crucial at home? You're not alone. It's a common dilemma that most travelers face. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, packing can be a daunting task. The suitcase seems to shrink every time we start filling it up, doesn't it? And no matter how hard we try, it feels like we're always overpacking, stuffing in clothes and items just in case. Yet, ironically, we often end up forgetting essential things. Remember that one time we forgot the phone charger or the toothbrush? Yes, we've all been there, and let's not even start on the puzzle that is organizing our luggage. How do we fit everything efficiently? How do we prevent our belongings from becoming a jumbled mess? It's like a game of Tetris that we never seem to win. But worry not, we have 8 practical packing tips that will solve those problems. First up, always make a list. This simple step is a game changer. It's your roadmap to packing success. Imagine knowing exactly what you need, item by item, before you even unzip your suitcase. That's the magic of a well-crafted list. It helps you avoid the dreaded forgotten toothbrush or that essential charger left behind. Remember, a detailed list is your shield against overpacking and your safeguard for essentials. It's your ticket to an organized, stress-free packing experience. A list keeps you organized and stress-free. Secondly, roll, don't fold. It might seem unconventional, but rolling your clothes instead of folding them can be a game changer. Let's delve into why. Firstly, rolling your clothes can save you a surprising amount of space. Think of it as the difference between a stack of papers and a roll of coins. The rolled items, like the coins, take up less surface area, which means you can pack more into your suitcase. Secondly, rolling reduces wrinkles. Folded clothes tend to crease along the folds, especially after being compressed. But with rolling, the fabric is spread evenly, thus minimizing the risk of those pesky creases. Lastly, rolling can make your suitcase more organized. You can easily spot and grab the rolled item you need without having to rummage through neatly folded stacks. So remember, roll it up, don't fold. It's all about maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles while keeping your suitcase tidy. Thirdly, consider using packing cubes. These little lifesavers are more than just cloth boxes. They're your luggage's secret weapon against chaos. Imagine opening your suitcase after a long flight to find all your clothes neatly organized, just as you packed them. That's the magic of packing cubes. They come in various sizes, allowing you to categorize your items. T-shirts in one cube, pants in another, and so on. This way, you know exactly where everything is. It's like having a set of drawers inside your suitcase. But the benefits go beyond organization. Packing cubes also save space. By confining clothes to their own cube, you limit their spread in the suitcase. This means you can pack more into the same space. It's like a game of Tetris, but with your clothes. Packing cubes, they're not just an accessory, they're a necessity. They streamline your packing process, keep your clothes wrinkle-free, and save valuable suitcase real estate. Packing cubes, your luggage's best friend. Fourth tip, always pack travel-sized toiletries. These miniature versions of your everyday essentials are true space savers. Not only do they fit snugly in your luggage, they also keep you in the clear when it comes to airport security. Remember, most airports enforce a liquid limit in carry-ons, and travel-sized toiletries are designed to meet these guidelines. So don't fret over fitting in your shampoo or body wash, just go travel size. Travel-sized toiletries, a small size for a big difference. Tip number 5, wear your bulkiest items. Picture this. Instead of stuffing that chunky sweater or those sturdy boots in your suitcase, why not put them on? By wearing your heaviest and most voluminous clothing, you're practically turning yourself into a walk-in closet. It's a simple yet ingenious way to save a significant amount of luggage space. So next time you're packing for a trip, remember to wear not just your heart, but your bulk on your sleeve too. Wear your bulk, save your space. Sixth on the list, pack dual-purpose items. Now this is where we get crafty with our luggage. Ever heard the phrase, kill 2 birds with 1 stone? That's exactly what we're aiming for. Packing items that serve more than one purpose is an ingenious way to save space and reduce the number of things you need to carry. Imagine bringing along a scarf that can double as a picnic blanket or a sarong. Or how about a pair of hiking shoes that are stylish enough for a city tour? Consider packing pants that convert into shorts, or a jacket that transforms into a travel pillow. Even your smartphone can be a camera, a map, an entertainment center, and so much more. The idea is to be strategic with your choices. Pick items that are versatile, functional, and most importantly, useful in more than one scenario. Remember, when it comes to packing for travel, dual-purpose items are your secret weapon, because less is more. 7th tip, always keep your valuables close. Picture this. You've just landed in your dream destination, but when you open your checked luggage, your camera is missing. Heartbreaking, right? That's why it's vital to pack your precious items like electronics, jewelry, or important documents in your carry-on luggage. This not only gives you peace of mind during your journey, but it also ensures that your valuables are within arm's reach should you need them. Remember, the last thing you want on your trip is to lose something important or dear to you. So, consider using a small bag or pouch for these items, something you can tuck under your seat or place in the overhead bin. This way, you can keep an eye on them throughout your journey. In short, treat your valuables like your best friends. Don't leave them out of your sight, and certainly don't pack them in your checked luggage. Keep your treasures close and your worries away. Our final tip, always check the weather. It may seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how often this is overlooked. By checking the forecast of your destination, you can pack the right clothes and gear. Heading to a tropical paradise? Don't forget your swimsuit and sunscreen. Venturing into a winter wonderland? Warm clothes and boots are a must. Remember, the weather can greatly affect your travel experience, so don't leave it to chance. Check the weather, pack smarter. So there you have it, 8 practical packing tips. Let's take a moment to recap. Firstly, never underestimate the power of a well-organized list. It's your best defense against forgotten essentials. Then remember the golden rule of packing clothes. Roll, don't fold. It's the key to maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Thirdly, packing cubes are your best friends for keeping your suitcase tidy and your sanity intact. Fourthly, travel-sized toiletries are not only convenient, but also a smart way to adhere to airport regulations. Fifthly, don't hesitate to wear your bulkiest items during travel. It's a clever trick to save space. Sixthly, pack items that serve dual purposes to lighten your load. Seventhly, keep your valuables close to you to ensure their safety. Lastly, always check the weather of your destination to pack appropriately. Say goodbye to packing struggles and embrace your travel adventures with ease and confidence.